Yes guys, it is day 4 of the renovation, and today we are stripping out the inside fully. All the wood is going to be gone, so the plasterboard skip's gone. We've got a new skip delivered ready for that. It's a cold morning, but we're going to get it done. Let's go. So we are finishing inside today, taking off all the last bits basically, all around the doors, all the skirtings, all the blinds, all that sort of stuff. Just getting off all around the doors now. And yeah, basically stripping down to a blank canvas. What are you doing? Say hello. That's little Rex. Sit down. Say hello. Good boy, you're helping, isn't it? So all the wardrobes and stuff that were here are out. And over here, all the wood stripped. Same in here, there was wardrobes there. All gone, fully stripped. Same this side. And we're just getting the finishing touches done inside now. Yes guys, so what we're doing is the structural engineer has told us to dig this trial pit to see the width and depth of the existing foundations of the building, just to get this right. So what we're going to do now is dig this out, and I'll come back to you when it's done. So we have dug down, that is the existing foundation. It is 700 down from ground level and 160 mil out, which is good. Now we've got to dig another pit, and that's the last of it. So we've just finished the second trial pit, and it is exactly the same as the other one. We did think that, but you have to double, triple check. So yeah, that's the 2 trial pits done. We're going to send that to the structural engineer and we'll go from there. Insulation is all out of the joists, so we are down to just the timber now, which is good. All of it's out. Fully stripped, we're getting there. So that's it, all the wood is out now, all the insulation's out. We're down to a clean slate inside, ready to go. That is day 4 done, the whole inside stripped out, ready to go. If you enjoyed, remember to subscribe and keep up with this journey. Like if you enjoyed, and comment if you want anything separate video whilst we're doing this house, and I'll get it done for you, like a tutorial. But yeah, like I said, day 4 done. See you on day 5. Let's go.